Don't worry, because we've got somebody that's got a shining light for us. Yeah, the new kits for next season have been revealed. Yeah, so don't worry. Just head on down to the Arsenal shop real soon and give the club more money and more support and more financial backing to do fuck all next season because the new kits have been revealed. Let's go.
Looks like the leaked pictures were true, and this is Arsenal's third kit for next season, and when you go into the detailing, it is so nice. Now, this picture went round a couple of months ago. I remember making a video about Christmas time of this picture. It went round again recently, but that clearly looks very similar to this picture, which suggests these two will also be correct. And honestly, it is a beauty. Obviously, the retro Adidas logo, the detailing on the shirt, the colour scheme, the collar.
Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful kit. Beautiful, man. We are world class at producing kits, man. All of that design and all of those kits and all that, man, all to win fuck all next season. Amazing, man. Amazing, bro. This club is the best in world football. The best, man. Don't worry, guys. We've got new kits. No new cups, no new trophies, nothing like that. Nah, forget that, man. Who cares about that? Do you know what I mean? Context. We got new kits, bro. We got new kits.
This could be an all-timer. And if that means that these two are correct and these two come out looking as good as that one, it's going to rival 22-23. Because for me, as like a collection of nailing all three kits, this is the best one that we've had in forever. Maybe back to like 2006-07. But I think it could beat it, you know? Let me know in the comments either way which ones you prefer. It's definitely...
Let him know. Which one of you lot are going to get mugged off by the club again to go and spend stupid amount of money for these kits? £90, £100, £110, £120. Yeah, just go. Just keep giving the club more money. You don't like the Kroenkes. Or you don't like Arteta, but you want to go and support the club even more. That's really going to send a message. Do you know what's really going to send a message? Yeah, sell out all the kits, man. Sell out all the merch, buy everything. That will show the Kroenkes, yeah, that we're not happy at where this club is at for not winning a major honor in the last 21 years. That will show them. I really think that's going to hit the nail on the head, man.
No new year.
The nail on the head, man. Amazing.
It's going to be a heavy one on the bank account. It's going to be a heavy one on the bank. Also, I'm fully aware how tragic it is that we're now talking about next season's kits rather than a title race. But that's where we're at.
It doesn't matter. That's where we're at. It don't matter, bro. It don't matter. That's where we're at. I know it's tragic, but it doesn't matter. Do you know what I mean? We'll go again next season. That's all it is. We just go again. You know what I mean? We just go again. Don't worry about it. Yeah, we're not winning the league. Doesn't matter.
Well, this is a bit awkward still. So, first thing first, I got to apologise to PSV. I'll be honest with you. When Arsenal got drawn against them, man, I thought it was going to be light work, easy things, blitzing, you know the ones there. But yeah, after the West Ham game and after just seeing Liverpool win the league and after seeing what Arteta had to say, some of the players had to say, that performance, PSV, I'm sorry, you know the ones there, bruv. It's very likely you can win this game, RBG Roll. If anything, you probably will. Let's keep it up, you know the ones there, bruv. Even there, as an Arsenal fan, this might sound weird, and it probably is, but I actually want PSV to win, bro. I want PSV to win and for them, man, to end our season because, yeah.
Really? You want PSV to win? Wow. Isn't that fake? Isn't that being a Tottenham fan? Isn't that being a fake fan? You don't represent the fan base. Negative. All you do is talk about negativity. You want PSV to beat Arsenal. Why? We got super duper Mick Arteta. He knows exactly what we need. Kivio in the back. Marino in attack. We're on our way to exit the Champions League. What happened? Now you're not backing it. What's going on? I don't get it. I don't understand how with this fan base, me, Lee, Jez, Matty, do you know what I'm saying? DJ B, all the real ones. You know what I mean? We've been calling that the whole season fake fan. What kind of fan calls out the club? What kind of fan wants us to lose or wants the season to end? Fake fan. But now they want the season to end. They want us to lose, get kicked out of the Champions League. Really? Why? No pray for PSV today? No pray for the rivals? No, do you know what I'm saying? Dark hearts. Huh? Trust the process. We're going to do this. Versatility. None of that. All that's died down now, yeah? Now we can start talking about the truth. When you lot are ready to talk about the truth. Now we can talk about the truth, yeah? Now we can talk about the truth. Don't worry, I'm going to keep my foot on you lot's neck to the end of the season. And I'm telling you right now, you man are gonna get cooked end of the season, bro. Don't think you lot are gonna skate out of the bullshit you man spew for the whole season, gaslighting and misleading people about this club, when the reality is, you know, deep down we ain't gonna do nothing under this ownership. You know what I'm saying? You man were balls deep in this manager, bro. Balls deep. Do you know what I'm saying? Balls deep in this manager. Now you lot wanted to skate out and say, oh, nah, but it's not me. I was the giver, not the taker. Filho da puta. Same difference. Yeah? Same difference. You man can hold that. You man can hold that.
Just save us the embarrassment of having to face Real Madrid, bro. Or the fact that we could potentially face them, man. Just save us the embarrassment, bro. Because I don't know what will happen if Arsenal stepped on the same field as that Real Madrid team. I don't know what I'll go on for us, blood. That's going to be... Yo, you can't be West Ham. Real Madrid. Could honestly be... That could be mad. That could be mad. That could generally put some Arsenal fans over the edge, I'll be honest with you. That might be the last straw. So with that being said, I actually want us to get knocked out, bro. Bun it. What's the point? We ain't going to win it anyway. You know the one's there, bruv. So PSV, do your thing.
Okay, you're a PSV fan. The same way you guys were Tottenham fans last season. You're back in Tottenham last season. Now you're back in PSV now. Okay. You know, top gooners, man. Top gooners, man. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to phase 5. Welcome to phase 5. Next up.
There's going to be a massive rant. So if you don't want to watch this rant, skip this video right now.
A massive rant? Hold on. You told us that we're going to do the treble. You told us that we're going to win the league. You told us it's going to be long for Liverpool. Now you want to rant. Okay, no problem. Continue. Why has he got that stupid swimming hat on top of his head as well? Do you know what I'm saying? Bro.
So I've come to the realization, probably been about a month or two now, that we're not a big club. And when I say this, is that when I watch other clubs, big clubs, Man City, Real Madrid, Barcelona, Bayern Munich, PSG, when they need to do something, they get it done. Last season, we needed to make signings in January to win the title. Didn't get anyone. In the summer, we needed to make attacking signings to win the title this season. We didn't get anyone. In January, we lost all our strikers. We needed to get a signing. Didn't get anyone. Doesn't matter temporarily, we didn't get anyone. Aston Villa said 60 million for Watkins. We said no, we'll only offer 40 million. Do you think other teams wouldn't buy Watkins for 60 million? We're the only club that counts every single penny. It's like every penny that comes in, we need to count it. Make sure we don't waste any penny. Big clubs don't do that. Big clubs will spend 20 million here and don't think about it. Because they know they need to win now. Not in 5 years' time, not in 10 years' time, they need to win now. So we scrapped the title in January because we didn't want to buy anyone. We don't risk our signings in the summer. So this is like, you can get the manager out. You can bring in Pep Guardiola, you can bring in Jurgen Klopp, you can bring in the best manager in the world. But if the owners don't have that mentality to win big trophies, there's no point of bringing them in. So we can go again next season, the season after. It'll be the same situation. The Kroenkes don't want to win big trophies. So, to Arsenal fans, don't come in the comments and come at me and say we are a big club. We're not a big club. Big clubs move big when it comes to actually doing something. Name me a moment in the last 25 years that we had to do, that we move like a big club. Name me once. We don't do it anymore. So we're just like a better looking version of Tottenham Hotspur. Tottenham Hotspur, everyone knows they're bottle jobs, but we're just above that. That's all we are. Just a better looking Tottenham Hotspur. There's gonna be
Really? You ain't been saying this all season. You ain't been saying this all season, and now you got that stupid cap on the top of your head looking like a condom. You know what I'm saying? Looking like a B-Tech flipping South African flipping Ali G. What's going on now, Ali G? Mickey, I turn me on with his big barrel lungs. Mickey, the way you moving, Mickey, the way you squeezing, Mickey. Oh, but it turns me on with his big bubble lungs. You've been singing and shaking your ass for this manager for how long? And now you want to be talking about what? Now man's looking like, bro, now I'm not hearing it, bro. Now looking like East African Craig David. Now it's like, I'm walking away from the process in my life. I'm walking away. We'll spend 200 M's on another day. I'm walking away from the phase 5 in my life. I'm walking away. Oh, Mikel will squeeze the lemon another day. Filo da puta, hold that. Hold that, stupida merda. People like you now want to be flip-flopping. You can hold that. You can hold that.